To start working in Capture One Express, first import some images. Click Import Images in the center and the Import dialog will open. First choose where to get your images from. I'll grab a folder of images right here, and the contents will show up in the dialog like so. Next choose where to import your images to. Current location will leave them exactly where they are, they don't get moved or copied. To start the import process, click on Import All, and the images will come into Capture One. The interface of Capture One Express is split into different areas. The tools to the left, the viewer in the middle, the browser along the bottom, and the toolbar with the cursor tools up the top. The tools are divided into tool tabs with the tools available below. The Quick tab contains the most commonly used tools for easy access. All tools can be collapsed and expanded by clicking the name. If you're ever in doubt about the interface, simply click on the question mark icon up in the top right. This will open a number of tooltips giving you a brief description of the interface.